3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2,
It turned into a mini! Help! I'm stuck in this truck! Why can't anyone hear me?
Where's Gordon?
I'm here!
I don't know. Oh, what's this?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no! The chocolate syrup is leaking everywhere!
Has anyone seen Henry? I can't find him anywhere.
Maybe he's turned into a mini!
I
like
don't
me.
know, but something's not quite right. All of the engines are slowly disappearing one by one.
Oh, I've got to go. Where are you going? Can't say. Bye.
Well, don't worry, Percy. I'm sure Henry will show up soon.
What's this?
5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh no! I'm a mini! Run! Oh dear! I've landed in a fish truck!
This fish truck shouldn't be here. I'll take it to Mayor Funling. Oi! Get out of my way! I'm busy.
5, 4, 3,
Oh no! It turned into a mini!
Great! Now the strawberry syrup is leaking too. Let's put it back in the trucks and deliver them before they leak again.
Oh, I've never seen this truck before.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Next up to race, we have Thomas versus Percy.
Percy, what are you doing here?
So this is where you sneak off to all the time. You're taking part in Funlings races.
Go!
Aha! I won!
How did you become a mini?
There's this green carriage with a face, and if it touches an engine, it turns them into a mini.
I must tell Mayor Funling. Oh, hello there.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Where am I? Oh dear.
Thanks, hero.
Henry, is that you? What's going on? Nobody can see or hear us.
Mayor Funling, I know what's happening. There's a green carriage turning engines into minis.
That's what we've been telling you.
I see. Try to find this green carriage with Hero, and let's put a stop to all this nonsense. Du-du-du-du-du.
There it is, Hero, the green carriage. If it touches you, you'll turn into a mini. So I've attached a snowplow to both of us. We should be able to move it now. I'm going in.
Ah! What? No! Look what you've done, Thomas. I've spilled soda all over me.
Sorry, Funling. Thomas, behind you! What?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's another engine turned into a mini.
Wizard Funling, you're behind this.
I sure am, and you're next, hero.
Uh-oh! Oh no! I'm stuck!
I have you now, hero. What? Ah, dinosaur!
Thanks for helping us, dinosaur.
Oh no! I've got to get this carriage back onto the track.
Out of my way!
Oh!
Sorry, Wizard Funling, the syrups are leaking!
Ooh! Wizard Funling, you have caused nothing but confusion and delay. I demand you turn all of the minis back into engines. Oh, okay. And now, I think you should have a go at being Mini for the day.
Oh, I can't reach my door.
5, 4,
Uh-oh.
2, 1.
Did someone say something?
I didn't hear anything. Help! Someone help!
I can help you, Wizard Funling.
Ah, Thomas, please could you bring me that wooden crate? It's full of my wizard things.
Sure, no problem. Don't ask a train to do it, Wizard Funling. I can do it much faster than Thomas. No, you can't. Yes, I can. Roads are much better than railways.
Well, I don't mind who does it.
I'll do it. I'm gonna get there first. No, you won't. I got it. Hey, Bulgy, let go. No, I got here first.
Be careful with that, you two.
I've got it. No, I've got it. Uh-oh.
My stuff!
Oh dear. Sorry, Wizard Funling. Yeah, you should be sorry, Thomas. This was all your fault.
Oh, great. Ah, it's all wet. I shouldn't have asked those two to bring me my crate. I should have just used magic.
Yeah, sorry again, Wizard Funling. Oh, that was all Bulgy's fault. The next day. Something feels different. Oh well, time to start my jobs. Hello, Annie and Clarabelle.
Thomas, what have you done?
What do you mean?
You're Mini.
Am I? Oh yeah, how did that happen? Oh dear, I still need to do my jobs though. Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, I can't pull you. I'm too small. Hi Thomas, do you need some help? Yes please, Percy. Okay, I'll turn around and push Clarabelle for you. Okay, ready?
Hold on, Percy. You're Mini too.
Am I? Oh no, who did that? I don't know. Oh, hello you two. You're looking rather tiny today. Someone shrank us, Bulgy, and we will find out who it was. Okay, in the meantime, I'll take your passengers for you. Thanks, Bulgy. Okay, so who could have done this? Maybe Diesel 10? You two are much smaller than I remember. Yes, it could have been him who shrank us.
I don't think so.
What? Why? Oh, where did he go? I'm here. Someone shrank me too. Don't worry, I can pull your trucks for you. Silly, useless engines. Who else could it have been? Uh-oh, that laugh is Tom Moss. It could have been him. Oh, someone shrank him too. Oh no, look, every engine on Sodor is tiny. Who's doing this? Bulgy, it was you, wasn't it? So you can prove that you road vehicles can do our jobs better than us. What? No, it wasn't me. Oh yes it was. You've been doing every engine's jobs to prove that you can do them better. No, I'm doing them because I'm nice. Huh? Hey, why am I green?
Oops, wrong spell.
Huh? Hey! Wizard Funling, it's you who's shrinking everyone.
Yes, I want to prove that magic is better than engines and road vehicles after you and Bulgy threw my wooden crate into the water.
But we said sorry.
Well, now I can prove that magic can be used to do everything.
I fully agree, Wizard Funling. Magic can be used to do everything. So, I need you to do everyone's jobs all day, every day. You can now do all the work.
All the work? Ooh, that sounds like a lot. You know what? I think everyone is growing back to their usual sizes. See? Now you don't need me to do all the work. Bye!
Wizard Funling didn't think his plan through, did he? Sorry, we thought it was you, Bulgy. That's alright. It had crossed my mind to shrink you steam engines. So, you actually were being nice when you did everyone's jobs? Yes, believe it or not, I am a friendly bus, and at least now everything is back to normal.
Oh no! We're stuck on the roof! Help us! Someone? Anyone? Where's Henry? He should be here by now. I'm up here! Can't you hear us? Even Bertie isn't here, and he's the backup bus. That's because I'm up here too! Just look up! We're on the roof!
Huh? Braithwaite Station looks very magical today.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh, what's going on?
3,
What's happening?
1.
Uh-oh! I'm stuck in a candy jar! No! Candy Funling! I'm not candy! Oh dear!
Oh, why is the station doing that? Huh?
3, 2, 1.
Oh no! I'm stuck! That was fun! Again!
Train driver Funling, where's Henry?
I'm on the roof! I have no idea. He's late. Braithwaite Station turned me into a mini.
And where's Bertie?
I'm up here too. Why can't you hear us? Oh, look over there, Bertie. Another mini is coming. Yay! We'll have some more company. Or not.
Huh? I wonder what that sound was. Oh well, where's Henry?
Thomas? Percy? Where are all of my friends?
This sounds like a mystery. I wonder where all of the trains are disappearing to.
Huh? That looks pretty.
Here we are, Detective Funling. So, this is where all of the missing engines were last seen. Oh, here comes Toby.
Whoa!
3,
Hello! I'm a Mini! Look, here comes someone else. Oh, hello.
And where's Toby? He should be here too.
I'm here, Mayor Funling. I'm just on the roof. Don't worry, Toby. They can't hear us. Oh. Whoa! Oh dear. So, the engines just approached Makewaite Station. And then... nothing? Maybe I'm not turning into a Mini because I'm not a train. Oh, I have an idea. This might work. Yay! It's working!
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Oh, hi Thomas. Hi Detective Funling. Whoa! Yes, I need to tell Mayor Funling. This looks fun, so I'm going to have a turn. Haha!
5, 4, 3,
Woo! Yay! That was so much fun. Woo! Woo! Again! Oh, hi Percy. Mayor Funling, I've solved the mystery. Huh? Who said that? Down here, it's me, Detective Funling.
Oh, hello, Mini Detective Funling. Have you seen the missing trains?
We're on the roof. No, but I know what's going on. Follow me. Wait 1 second. I'll just get my things. Whoa! Look who I found. Hello.
Toby, what were you doing inside? Have you seen the others?
Yeah, they're on the roof. Hello.
Come on then, Detective. Show us what's happening. So it's this station, is it?
Oh no! Look, Gordon's coming. He'll be turned into a Mini.
And look over there. I think it's Wizard Funling causing all of this.
What's going on with Makewaite Station? Oh well.
3,
What?
2,
Uh-oh.
1.
Hey! Stop this, Wizard Funling! Stop enchanting Makewaite Station and turn everyone back to their normal size.
Oh, okay. It's not fun when everyone knows anyway.
Yay!
So it turns out everyone was here the whole time.
Look what I found, Percy! That Thomas surprised Minnie's bag!
Ooh, let's open it!
Hey, I know what would be fun if we were Minis when we opened it!
Oh, great idea, Thomas!
Haha, look at me! I'm Minnie! Haha, now do me, Wizard Funling!
Okay!
This is awesome! Oh, can I be Minnie too?
Why don't I just make every engine on Sodor Mini?
Huh? Why did I turn white? I'm not just Charlie anymore. I'm Riddler Charlie, and that Minnie's bag will be mine.
Oh no! I didn't mean to do that.
Riddle me this. What mythical creature is said to be a flyer? It's large and scaly and can also breathe fire. What? Mythical creature?
Oh, is this a dragon?
Correct, Wizard Funling.
Huh? Ah! Help!
Wizard Funling.
I can't move.
Hey, let him go, Charlie. Charlie? Oh, he's gone. Oh no, and so's the Minnie's bag. What are we going to do? We need to rescue Wizard Funling so he can use his magic to put everything back to normal. And I have an idea. Come on, Thomas. Are you done in there? Almost. Ta-da! I'm now Bat Thomas. Great! How will that help us? Well, as Bat Thomas, I'll fly after the dragon. Free Wizard Funling. And then he can use his magic to put everything right. Great plan! Except you can't fly, can't I? Oh yeah.
Thomas, Percy, what is going on? Why am I Minnie?
Spencer, are you a rocket? Can you fly?
I think so, but I don't want to. I'm a steam engine.
But we need your help. Yes, he can rescue Wizard Funling from the dragon.
Dragon? Oh dear. I can fly.
Hey, riddle me this. What's made out of string and is full of holes, and in soccer, if you hit the back of it, you'll score lots of goals.
A net?
Whoa! Ooh. Are you okay, Spencer?
Yeah, but I think my rockets are broken.
I can't fly anymore. We need a new plan then. Oh, I have a plan. I can pretend to be a ghost to scare the dragon. Good idea, but I think we'll use Henry instead of you. What? Why not me?
Well, just look behind you.
Huh? Whoa! Okay, you're much more convincing than me.
Dragon, let me go, please.
Hey, riddle me this. What force of nature can be very strong? It can blow anything over all day long.
The wind?
Exactly. Oh no! Oh, Charlie is always one step ahead of us. Engines, please help me! Salty, are you a mouldy sandwich? Yes, and I keep being followed by a mini dragon. No, don't eat me! That's it! We can distract the big dragon with a mini dragon! Yes, Thomas, let's do that before this one gets any closer to me. What are those mini engines up to now?
Can you free me now, please?
No! Hey, Charlie! Huh? Riddle me this. You know the creature that's holding Wizard Funling? Well, what would you call one of its younglings? A baby dragon, of course! Correct! What? No! Don't get distracted by that dragon! You're free, Wizard Funling!
I'll put everything back to normal.
Hey! No! Oh, I just had the strangest of dreams. Hey Charlie, you're standing on a Minnie's bag. What? Oh yes. Whoops.
Let's open it.
Ah, Port is inside.
Ah, we opened the minis bag in the end.